What's up, y'all? It's Lucky Aces, and we got the subscriber ride tomorrow, so you should probably get the Honda Shadow cleaned up a little bit. Now, it's a little bit overcast. We're going to have to do this quick, and I don't feel like dragging the hose out and all that other nonsense, because you guys see my videos. I'm kind of lazy. I mean, heck, maybe one day I'll wash the Jeep again. But we're going to give this waterless car wash a try from, Chemical Guys and see how it goes. I will admit, I don't always take the best care of her. I think I've actually washed this bike once in the 2 years I've owned it. Gotta get those white walls too, but we're gonna have we got a different product in mind for that. Gotta hopefully get that shock cleaned up a little bit. We're gonna try, we're gonna see how this goes. But mainly I wanna hit the fenders, I wanna hit the tank. Did that come loose again? That kinda stinks. I mean, and I ride this bike. I mean, she's not super showroom quality, right? She's got a little bit of surface rust here and there. Got a little paint chip here and there. Scratch right there. This tank's been soaked with gasoline at least 4 or 5 times since I've had the darn thing. But as you can see, she's got a little dust on her. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one microfiber towel. I'm just gonna wipe all the dust off a little bit. Then we'll come back with the spray and hit it again. So from what I understand is basically I'm just going to spray this stuff on, give it a couple seconds, hit it with another towel. So, see what she does. Alright, so I didn't spray any on the exhaust, I didn't do really anything on the engine. Mainly because, I think the stuff leaves a coating on it, I think. I don't really want anything like burning off or sticking to it or something. I don't know. I will say though, this stuff smells really, really good. It has a really sweet smell to it. Like, it doesn't say what it smells like, but it's almost got like a real nice sweet candy flavor. Candy smell to it. Don't drink this. Alright, now that we're done with the cleaner, I'm gonna wipe it off the fresh towel. This stuff smells really, really good for some reason. Maybe I'm just hungry, that's probably what it is. And it's supposed to leave a nice little finish on here. It's a nice little shiny protective coat. I can definitely feels like there's something there. Don't look at my wiring job, guys. Don't look at that. Don't ask what I do for a living either. I mean, there's gonna need to be some scrubbing at some point on these fork covers. The turn signal bar, I didn't really spray that either, but for the most part, it's better than it did. It's got a nice little shine to it, especially this area right here. Alright, so now that I got the rest of the bike wiped down, all the soot from the drag pipes and everything really takes its toll on my shock and this sticker here, and I really didn't want to get that on the tire because I got another product in mind for that stuff. Now we're waiting for that to set. We're going to tackle these white walls. We're going to spray them with this Black Magic bleach white. Gonna hit it with a little SOS pad and it's gonna look great, trust me guys. It's really gonna make this make these white walls pop. Alright, we're gonna let that bleach white sit for a second. See what we can do about some of this grime. My original plan was to go with some hard struts, but the ones I bought, would have had to drill them out for the top up there. And I was gonna go with some lowering shocks, but all the trouble I had with the bobber seat. And I don't know, we're just gonna keep these stock ones for a while. Wow, that's pretty dirty. Well, this looks a little better. Still pretty scratched up. Shocks have a little bit of rust on them. But it's not a show bike. I ride this bike. That's the way I see it anyway. So, while she's not, it's baked under good. Yeah, she ain't perfect, but she'll be alright. Alright, so we're going to start up here at the front. We're going to take our favorite orange-flavored beverage. No, I'm just kidding. This is water. We're going to take our little bit of I said SOS pad earlier. I meant Scotch-Brite pad. Take a drink if I'm thirsty. Pour one out for our homies. Ideally, you'd use like a hose or a bucket of water for this, but I don't want to drag all that stuff out. So we'll just take this guy. And actually, I just realized the flaw in my plan because I'm going to need to spray all this stuff off too. But I got another towel, we'll just use that. And no, I'm not sure why I do things the way I do. It's... even I am surprised how my brain works. Rear right side takes the brunt of it, but look at that. I mean, just by comparison, I haven't even wiped that off yet. And I got these white walls. Got all the mechanic, obviously, you know, they got greasy hands when they put these things on. I tried a couple different things to spruce these white walls up, and that was the #1 thing. Bleach white and Scotch Brite pad. I tried a couple things prior, but I was trying to be too nice. Get aggressive with these things. This works perfect. I'm gonna grab our original towel we wiped the bike off with to begin with, because there's no product, no chemicals or anything on here. It's just dirt. Use it to wipe the white walls down. That is what I'm talking about. Went from being super dirty, which actually that's even cleaner than it was, to a brilliant bright white. I love these tires. Is she showroom quality? Nah, but she doesn't need to be. She's a hard-working girl. I'm actually riding my motorcycle, guys. I understand why some people just polish and just keep them in the garage. I say ride them, don't hide them. So, anyway, if you guys thought the waterless car wash did a great job, let me know in the comments. If you guys have ever used a product like that, let me know what you use. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.